For homeowners in Redmond, few upgrades can transform a home quite like Picture Windows. Known for their expansive glass panels and unobstructed views, these windows flood living spaces with natural light and connect interiors to the beauty of the Pacific Northwest. But while the design and quality of your windows matter, professional installation is what truly ensures they perform as beautifully as they look. Even the best, most energy-efficient picture windows can fall short if they're not installed correctly. From maintaining airtight seals to optimizing insulation and structural stability, expert installation makes all the difference in comfort, efficiency, and long-term value. Here's how working with professional installers helps you get the most from your picture windows in Redmond's unique climate. Achieving a perfect fit for maximum efficiency. Unlike other window styles that open or close, picture windows are fixed, meaning their performance relies heavily on precision fitting. A small gap or uneven edge can cause significant air leakage, reducing your home's energy efficiency. Redmond's cool, wet winters and mild summers demand well-sealed windows that prevent drafts and heat transfer. Professional installers take detailed measurements and use precise techniques to ensure a perfect, airtight fit. This minimizes energy loss, keeps your home comfortable year-round, and prevents your HVAC system from working harder than necessary. The result? Lower energy bills, improved indoor comfort, and consistent temperature control, all thanks to expert installation. Proper sealing and moisture protection. Redmond's frequent rain and humidity make moisture control a key factor in window performance. Poorly sealed windows can allow water to seep in, leading to condensation between panes, frame rot, or even wall damage. Professional installation includes advanced sealing methods, such as high-quality weather stripping, flashing, and waterproof membranes, to ensure your picture windows stay watertight. This prevents water infiltration and protects your home's structure from costly moisture-related issues. By using materials specifically suited for the Pacific Northwest weather conditions, local installers ensure that your windows remain both beautiful and durable, even through Redmond's rainy seasons. Enhancing structural integrity and longevity. Picture windows are larger and heavier than most other window styles. Without proper support and anchoring, their weight can lead to structural stress, causing the frame to warp or the glass to shift over time. Professional installers understand load-bearing requirements and use the right materials and techniques to ensure your window remains stable. This prevents air gaps, water leaks, and frame damage while maintaining the sleek, seamless look that picture windows are known for. A correctly installed picture window doesn't just perform better, it also lasts longer, helping you get the most from your investment. Maximizing natural light and views. One of the biggest advantages of picture windows is their ability to capture scenic views and bring in abundant natural light. However, the placement and angle of installation can influence how much light your space receives and how that light interacts with your interiors. Professional installers consider orientation, shading, and reflection when fitting picture windows. For example, they may adjust the placement slightly to prevent glare or reduce excessive heat from direct sunlight, especially on south-facing walls. This ensures you enjoy bright, comfortable spaces without the downsides of harsh UV exposure or uneven lighting. In short, professional installation doesn't just improve performance, it enhances your home's overall aesthetic experience. Ensuring energy efficiency and compliance. Redmond homeowners value sustainability and energy efficiency, and picture windows are a key part of that goal. However, local building codes and energy standards must be met to ensure compliance, something professional installers are trained to handle. Experts know how to install Energy Star-rated windows correctly, preserving their thermal insulation properties and maintaining manufacturer warranties. DIY or inexperienced installation, on the other hand, can void these warranties and diminish your window's performance. Professional installation ensures your windows meet or exceed Washington's energy efficiency requirements while providing optimal comfort for your family. Enhancing property value and peace of mind. When potential buyers see high-quality windows that are professionally installed, they know the home has been well cared for. That attention to detail can boost your resale value and appeal. Beyond financial value, professional installation gives you confidence that your picture windows will perform exactly as intended, free from drafts, leaks, or performance issues. Final thoughts: picture windows can completely transform your Redmond home, bringing in light, beauty, and efficiency. But to truly enjoy these benefits, professional installation is essential. From precision fitting and moisture protection to improved energy performance, certified installers ensure your new windows function flawlessly and look stunning for years to come. By trusting experienced local professionals, you'll enjoy not just a clearer view of Redmond scenery, but also a more comfortable, energy-efficient, and worry-free home.